Now we will start to speak about the time signature. We have with you simple compound, duple, triple, and quadruple time. Duple time are 2-4 and 2-2. Duple time are 6-8, 6-16, and 6-4. Triple time are 3-4, 3-8, 3-2, and 9-8, 9-16, and 9-4. And quadruple time signature are 4-4, 4-2, 4-8, and 12-8, and 12-16. Today we will speak with you about irregular time signature. Irregular time signature are 5/8, which tells us about 5 quavers in a bar, or 5 quaver beats in a bar, and 5/4, 5 crotchets in a bar, or 5 crotchet beats in a bar. Another one, 7/8, 7 quavers in a bar, or 7 quaver beats in a bar, and 7 crotchets, 7 crotchet beats, or 7 crotchet beats in a bar. Like we have with you duple, triple, and quadruple, we have here as well quintuple and septuple. So quintuple will be for fifths, and septuple will be added for the sevenths. Now we will start with you to practice with the exercise. So exercise number 1, add bar lines to these extracts. They all begins on the first beat of the bar. Time signature 5/4. We have with you the first crotchet beat. So crotchet gives us 1, crotchet with a dot 1 and it half, quaver it's half, then crotchet 1, another crotchet 1, 1, 1.5, half, 1, 1, 1.5, half, 1.5, half, 1, medium it's 2 plus it half 1, and another medium 2. Let's now join it by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last one as well, 5. And we close it. So please continue with this task by yourself. And exercise number 2, add the time signature to these extracts. They all begins on the first beat of the bar. So let's see the new one to repeat. 5 quavers, 5 crotchets, 7 quavers, and 7 crotchets in a bar. Let's write under each of the note its value. So this bar, medium it's 2, another medium another 2 beats, and crotchet it's 1 beat. Altogether we can see 5 full beats, 5/4. Next one, medium with a dot, so it's dotted medium, it's 2 plus it half 1, another 1, another 1, altogether again 5 full beats in a bar. Let's see with you the next example. So in this example, let's take with you the first bar. So at the beginning we can see the semi-brief 4 beats, then crotchet, another crotchet, and the last is crotchet. Altogether is 7. So we have with you 7 full beats, 7/4. And the last is one group, half, 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 half. It's all quavers. All the halves going to be written under each note. Altogether it gives us 2.5 beats. It's impossible to use it. That's why we have to count with you each half separately. Altogether we can see easily 5 quavers in a bar. Now exercise number 3. This extract all contain changes of the time signature. So we everywhere have to change the time signature, so we have to check it up. Let's see, in each bar, this bar contain dotted medium. So dotted medium is 2 plus it half, so it's 2 and 1. Altogether is 3 full beats, so we have to write 3/4. Okay, next we can see 4 groups, and the first group gives us 1 because it's 2 halves, another 1, another 1 beat, and the last again 1. Altogether 4 full beats, 4 crotchets in a bar. Now next bar, dotted crochet, so it's 1.5, another half, another 1, then all together it gives us 3 full beats, so 3/4. Next bar, let's check it up. Medium is 2, 1, all together it's the same, 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 full crochets, so 5/4. Next one is semi-brief 4 beads and crochet 1. It's the same like we had before. And the last is medium 2 and 1 for crochet. Altogether it's 3/4. Please, can you do the same way to write under each of the note in the exercise B and exercise C?